Politically, the Greek city-states were divided, each debating how to respond to the massive invasion led by King Xerxes of Persia. Amidst this uncertainty, the Spartan king, Leonidas, made a bold decision. He would lead his finest warriors, 1,260 men, straight into the heart of the Persian army, while the rest of Greece argued and hesitated. They marched as brothers, united in purpose, ready to face an enemy that outnumbered them 10-1. Hours passed, and the skies darkened, rain soaking the Spartan warriors as they neared the Persian forces disembarking along the shoreline. From afar, Xerxes observed their small numbers and sent a fraction of his legendary army forward. Among them were the Immortals, 10,000 elite Persian soldiers whose numbers were said never to fall. First came 2,000 archers, moving to pin down the Spartans. The ground trembled beneath the weight of the advancing Persians. King Leonidas seized the moment. Spotting the detached archers, he ordered his men to close the gap. The battle began with skirmishes and arrow volleys. Swift and disciplined, the Spartans overwhelmed the immortal archers, proving that even the legendary warriors could fall. Reforming into a shield wall at a narrow pass between the sea and rocky terrain, the Spartans prepared for the main assault. Enraged, Xerxes commanded the full might of his 10,000 immortal infantry to crush the Greek defenders. Steel met steel. The Spartan hoplites, trained and disciplined, held their ground against the relentless Persian charge. One by one, the Immortals fell to the precise thrusts of Spartan spears. Gradually, the Spartans began pushing back, turning the tide. Despite heavy losses, the majority of casualties were Persian. The Spartans' endurance and unity made their formation nearly impenetrable. From afar, Xerxes watched his elite forces falter, forced to retreat by the tenacity of the few. Yet the Spartans had not come for victory alone. They marched to send a message: Greeks would not surrender, nor bow to Persia. But the legend of the Immortals proved true. Hours later, the same Persian elite regrouped. Emerging from the rough terrain, they attacked from behind, surrounding the Spartan force. This time, escape was impossible. Only a handful of Spartans survived to tell the tale of extraordinary courage and sacrifice. Though defeated, their stand inspired unity among the Greek city-states. 10 years later, the Greeks would rally and push the Persians back, fulfilling the legacy of Leonidas and his 300.